Hi everyone! Welcome to today's episode. I'm Helgen Obligana and I'm here with my good friend Marilyn Abante. Today, we're talking about something close to our hearts issues in our community and how we can work together to solve them.
Yes, it's something we say every day. There's a lot of talk about change, but it's time for action. One big issue we both agree on is the lack of proper waste management in our area.
It's crazy, right? Piles of garbage everywhere, people throwing trash on the streets, the recycling bins in sight. It's not just about looking messy, it's a health hazard.
Exactly, and the worst part, it's affecting everyone. The air, the water, the wildlife. We need a cleaner, greener environment, and it starts with us.
Yeah, and it's not just the responsibility of the government. We need to take responsibility too. Educating people about how to dispose of trash properly, encouraging recycling, it's all in our hands.
Definitely, I think we could start by having community cleanup drives. Just a simple weekend cleanup could make a huge difference. We could get everyone involved, kids, elders, everyone.
That's a great idea. And imagine if we partnered with local schools, businesses, and organizations, we could create awareness about waste management, make it fun, and educate the younger generation on why it matters.
Yeah, if the youth gets involved early, they're more likely to carry those habits forward.
Exactly. And on top of that, we need proper infrastructure. More bins, better waste collection services, maybe even composting programs for organic waste.
Absolutely, if we had the right resources in place, it'd be so much easier to manage waste. But we also need more accountability. People need to see the consequence of improper waste disposal.
Right. That's why we need stricter regulations. There should be penalties for littering or illegal dumping. It's about creating a culture of responsibility.
And beyond waste, I think one of the biggest problems in our community is a lack of access to mental health resources. It's something we say don't talk about enough.
You're so right. People are struggling in silence, and there's huge stigma around mental health here. We need more open conversations, more support systems.
Exactly, Helgin. We need mental health awareness campaigns, accessible therapy centers, and more trained professionals. Mental health is just as important as a physical health.
And it's about creating safe spaces for people to talk openly without judgment. The more we normalize it, the more people will seek help when they need it.
Definitely, and you know something as simple as a community gathering or a talk about mental wellness could go a long way.
Yes, I agree with you. So, whether it's cleaning up our streets or supporting mental health, the point is we need to come together and make change. Every small action adds up.
Thank you for listening today. Everyone, if you have any thoughts on these issues, let us know. We love to hear from you.
Absolutely. Let's keep the conversation going. Together, we can make our community a better place for everyone. Catch you next time.